Welcome to our fun garden of healthy foods. Today, we're going to learn all about fruits and vegetables and why they're so good for us. Let's explore together. First up, let's talk about apples. Apples are sweet, juicy, and come in all kinds of colors like red, green, and yellow. They are full of fiber, which helps keep our tummy happy and healthy. Next, we have bananas. Bananas are long, yellow, and perfect for a snack. They give us lots of energy and are packed with potassium, which helps keep our muscles strong. Now let's talk about carrots. Carrots are crunchy and bright orange. They are full of vitamin A, which helps our eyes see better, especially at night. Here's broccoli. It's green and packed with vitamins like C and K. Broccoli helps keep our bones strong and boosts our immune system to fight off germs. Oranges are next. These juicy fruits are full of vitamin C, which keeps us from getting sick and helps our skin stay bright and healthy. Look at this. It's a pineapple, sweet and tangy with a fun spiky top. Pineapples help with digestion and are full of vitamin C, which helps heal cuts and keeps our bodies strong. Let's see how much you remember. Can you point to the apple? Yes! Great job! You did an amazing job today, learning about fruits and vegetables. Remember to eat healthy and enjoy all the colorful foods around you. They help you grow strong and stay happy. Thanks for watching. See you next time for more fun learning.